ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Unang yalam jong kaliang persya kayeng dorbar tauan u Dr. Mukul Sangma ulaong baka politics kadai kakam kapa Jwat haduk kata-kata bat ongru ba uno unang yalam uladai ban sngotu bha ya kador jinglong nong yalam hapo ka party kenang bantem bat bante lakam ya kijing bat kijing sya tunjuk ki bawan hakman Hagajing ekran bat kilat pathai kubor u Dr. Mukul Sangma ulaong ke eiga belajar hapo ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee kan sanang pau pertai syushu haki kindiat menai ki bansawan shua banwan usnem arajar arpulai.
Been colleagues for a long time, not just during this session, during this term, even prior to that we have worked together, we have served together, and when we look at issues and take up issues collectively with the sole intention of addressing the concern of the people for the larger good of the people and the state, we must always discuss, deliberate amongst ourselves and see and explore the possibilities of aggregating our potentialities. That's the healthy practice. That's what we are looking at as colleagues. And we were together in CLP, and because of the political developments that has unfolded, we are separated. But then that doesn't prevent us from getting together, having a get-together, and looking at issues before us. I think it's too early to comment on that, because the whole political dynamics that will unfold over the months, in the coming months, I think that will give you an idea as to how things will ultimately shape itself before 2023. See, it's a question of having an in-depth understanding about the kind of pulls and pushes that as a political party, the political parties face all the time. Okay. And how we realign our approach to deal with situation, to deal with challenges. Yeah? If we continue to carry on with that chalta hai attitude, then it doesn't work. That's what I have said. There has to be, that kind of serious introspection, retrospection to understand, why things are good or things are bad, or you're always confronted by some kind of crisis after crisis. One has to look at, and understand, because as I have said, politics is the toughest job. To be a politician, to run a political party like Indian National Congress, it's a tough job. Therefore, one has to acclimatize to the challenges that is inherent to such kind of situation, inherent to building a party, inherent to building a political party in such a vibrant democracy with so much of diverse potentialities and diverse challenges.